channel. I'm here doing another wig install video, and I have the pleasure today to work with West Kiss Hair. They sent me out their 99J pre-colored wig, so it came just like this. It did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck it some more. The lace, I do believe it is transparent. This inch is a 24 inch. I did get my wig in a medium cap. My head circumference is a 22 inch. This wig does come with 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the bottom. It also has an adjustable band at the bottom. I do believe I have a 200% density wig, and I think the texture is I think it's deep wave. If I'm lying, y'all know I would have all of the correct information down in the description box. Super excited to try this. I am putting my wig on with Got to Be Freeze Spray today. I've been putting on my wigs this way. It's just so easy to put my wigs on that way and to take them off when I'm ready. And it's less mess when it comes to like the cleanup, because y'all know glue can be a messy cleanup sometimes. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Let's see how we're looking. Baby, I'm finna swam. Baby, I'm finna swam. Baby, I'm finna swam. Baby, I'm finna swam. Baby, I'm finna swam.
And you got this rose around cause you know who you with. The groupie got me go so hard, we stuck like 5 or 6. Introduce you to the team, you just might meet the click. Take your ass to...
So the hairline with this wig, for me, it doesn't match my hairline all that great because my hairline protrudes a little bit out more on the sides than this one. So it's going to take me a little minute to kind of like figure out how I need this hairline to be sitting on my head. But yeah, we're going to make it work. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and cut off the lace and then go from there.
Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Smoke. Swimming in her waters, lost up in her waters, trapped up in her aura. She got me wanting more. Staring at her features, always glad to meet ya. Baby, what's your name? Ask that when I reach ya. Smell that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm around the time to roll the weed up by the beaches. Leather jacket skis, match me with your joker. Vaporwave princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started peeking. I would like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day.
So I'm taking my foundation powder to take away this cast from the transparent lace.
Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She gets sexy for me, only do it for me. And that's what I prefer. We get ghost, just say the word. And shorty bad, yeah, I need her. Eat her like a slice of pizza. Spend more time out with parking around the meter. Baby girl, I swear I need you, hey. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Baby, I could beat her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Yeah, baby, I'm finna swam. 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 And you got this rose around cause you know who you with. The groupie got me go so hard, we stuck like 5 or 6. Introduce you to the team, you just might meet the click. Take your ass to groovy land, now you know all your shit. And you's a bad girl, and you different from the rest. I'm not talking about the sex, but every time I lay the rest, I think about your chest, your waist, them thighs, hypnotized with wet shit. Complete off surprise, I swear you. Baby, I could beat her, that girl was wet. Baby, I could beat her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I could beat her, that girl.
So I'm gonna go ahead and with this wig down. Oh, it's cute like this. I kind of like it like this, nice and dramatic. I'm gonna weight it down a little bit. I'm using just water. I will say this wig, when I first got it and washed it and everything, when I was like bleaching my knots and stuff, it did bleed when I first washed it, but as I went through and washed it more, the bleeding stopped. So I'm praying that it doesn't bleed while I'm like wetting it down on my shirt. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna do it a little bit just in case.
Baby, what's your name? That's it when I greet ya. Smell that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm a real the type to roll the weed about the bleachers. Leather jacket sneeze, match me with your joker. Vaporwave princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started peeking. Now I like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day. Smoke. Click. Shit. Girl. Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She gets sexy for me, only do it for me. And that's what I prefer. We get ghost, just say the word.
This is it. I decided to do no baby hairs. She is gorgeous. She is a gorgeous unit. I love this color. Very, very pretty. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this wig install. If you're interested in this wig, all the information is down in the description box. Again, I did have this is a 24-inch 200% density wig. This is their deep wave texture, their 99J color, which is like a burgundy color. And yeah, she's gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, I'm getting out of here. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Love y'all so, so much. Bye.
Baby, I'm a phoenix, swam. Baby, I'm a phoenix, swam.